Glucosamine has been increasing in popularity both in the natural products category, but even more interestingly, in the amount of clinical research that's being done to study it. You can access a whopping 25,500 articles on PubMed if you're feeling bored. Glucosamine is naturally found in our bodies, but for supplementation, we often get it from animals like shellfish. Glucosamine is one of the main building blocks of cartilage. So it is direct nutrition for building up and repairing this tissue. It's involved with a number of other molecules that build and repair cartilage, like glucosamine, which we mentioned earlier, as well as other connective components like collagen and hyaluronic acid. Boswellia has long been used in herbal and traditional medicine to take care of joint pain, but of course, this needed to be verified with actual scientific studies, of which there are almost 1,000 articles. And as it turns out, this plant also provides anti-inflammatory characteristics that can bring down pain and swelling. It too has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties.